Okay, right. So once again, we'll repeat. We will cancel this one. Okay. So in the home table, we have shown that we have been combining the different stages of your sheets which are there on the data pan. So we are on the data pan. What we have shown here are these three sheets which are available. So we are combining the cogs and sum of cogs here, which has been there sigma in terms of sum of cogs. So those two are being brought into this region to connect your information. To show any information that is related to your structure, that is in terms of your sales or anything. For example, if you want to show in terms of any discount band, okay, so you can show the discount band with sales. See, it is been showing here in terms of the format how you want, that is in terms of the pictorial form or whatever it may be. Discount band with your sales, or if you want to remove, you can remove. That is not at all a problem, right? As you have selected here some stages now, so it is showing you everything, right? So I have taken the discount band. See, you'll be having like this. For example, if you remove this one, this is the cogs of one sheet, that is from the links, and we have taken the sum of cogs in the another sheet. Okay, these two are being combined. So if you want to remove, you can remove this. Right, you can remove this, and this is the selected region where you want to keep some information. So that information in terms of what are the gross sales you have and what is the gross discounts you have made, for example, right? So these are the discounts that are being given, and these are the sales that are being done for how many, as you are showing for x-axis gross sales now. So y-axis field also should be given. So which products you have done that, for example, then it will show you in this format. Just the top one is being shown in this format. You can see the top one, that is SEO and what are the things that you have. Those all been shown, right? So you are been getting the graph or not. You have to identify. So otherwise, if you want to show in terms of how many products are being taken, and sorry, we'll take the products to the y-axis. We'll keep our months in x-axis. See here, right? So this is another type of graph. This is some of the discounts, how many you got in the month. This is the number of products in the particular month. So all these. So for example, for this one, if you want to have in terms of in which date the purchase has took place, that is in terms of column. So you are having multiple things. Huge data is there. You can keep here like this, no problem. You can minimize this also. If you want, go for minimization of this. Okay, you can keep this. Here is a gap also. It is asking you question, preparing question and answers, so that we will see in the next class only, not these. Why it has been asking. Not this one, not required right now to confuse everyone. We'll see that later on. we want to have like this information, so you can show this, right? So you have minimized that, how we want to have this one. So later on, if you want to have in the same one, how many profits you got for, okay, for this one, profits. If you click this, it is been showing here so many information, how many tech formats, sorry, how much profit you got data. So it will be changing. Rather than keeping this, I don't want to change this one, I want to create somewhere else. I'll take some other visualization to show my, these are stacked. Okay, don't forget these are stacked bar charts, and these all are your line charts which we want to analyze. For example, if you want to have this one to be analyzed, you can analyze in terms of line chart. You click that, it, okay, this is your line chart. If you click this once again, it will show in terms of bar chart, stacked column charts these are called, right? So that is the thing what it is being shown. So I'll come out of this, I want to create a new type of visualization. So I want to have both bar and line charts, so I'll keep this one. So I want to show this. So what is the statistics of my profits and the sales price? Okay, my profits and sales price. So my profits are in the x-axis, and my sales price are is being present in the region of this one, which you are having. Just a minute. In the x-axis you have the profits. Here is the column legend sales price. So what is the segments that we have? Okay, this is also coming in your x-axis. See how much is the unit sales. You are not getting the proper way, because more sales are there in the enterprises, but in the government and these things you don't have the better sales to project. So we'll change those things. Okay, go for in which year. Okay, and how many sales you have seen. You got only single. Is a consolidated. Okay, we see like this. Okay, so this is another one. So we are getting like this, right? So this is another visualization only for one sheet, that is for the web data what we have taken. For that one only I'm doing this entire thing. Okay, I'm not doing for some other one, don't forget. I'm doing only for this one. Right. So if I ask anyone to show me what is the country information, you can have the country information like this. Just click on the country, you'll get the country information. See, you got the country information. So if you want to see anything, you can go to the particular region of that one, and you can see that. So in the country, what are the projects where, in which country where the products are being there. So in each country, the products that we are having here are being brought. Okay. So for this product, I have attached the tags. So what are the projects, or what are the sales that we have done? So you can't get both of them. So it has been taking this. So if you see, you will be not getting. So for the products only, the sales are not possible to show. in this region. So it is able to show only the products which are being available. So these are the dotted lines you have no. These dotted lines are making you to understand. Okay, like this. Otherwise, for the countries, what are the gross manufacturing will remove the products. Will keep manufacturing. Let's see. No, the manufacturing is not good. So it is giving the bad remark of the information. We want to remove this and we want to keep this manufacturing. See, right? So like this, we can insert the maps also. It will be done here. So if you want to have anything to be done, that is, you want to keep any information in terms of that is home text. Okay. So this is of the data what we are been getting. So I want to take the text of this one. So you can take the text, you can type something whatever you want. It is the information that we have taken from the Microsoft only. Microsoft data analytics. Microsoft electronic devices. This is electronic devices data analytics dashboard. So you can bring that. Okay, you can change this font size how much you want. You can have this in terms of bold also. You can change your characteristic. I will go for Cambrian. You can move this slide. If you want, you can do any changes for this one. However you want, you can take it as center, or you want to have any type of design. You can have that. See, you can have like this. You can have the colors of anything in this manner. You want to have the dark, you can have this one in terms of dark, or you can have in terms of some other dark color. So you can see like this. So this is the dashboard. So this is a way how slowly we have been operating a dashboard which we want to have the function. It is a sample dashboard only. Okay. If you want this sample dashboards also will make you to understand. This is a even it is a sample dashboard also. It is of the data which has been done for real time data only. We are not something differently. Okay. We have done with the real time data only. That is the thing which we are having. So that's why it is most important, which has been operating here, right? It is doing the operation of this in this format, and you are being getting the dashboard what we are having here. Okay, so like this we can have anything. So if you want to have any colors or anything to be changed, you can have this one. For example, you can see here this is the x-axis and y-axis. If you want to have anything to be done, you can do here. Okay. So add the fields or data fields, or if you want to have anything add or anything you can do that. So this is the legendaries of this one. So for this box we are having x-axis. If you click on x-axis, you can have the color of the x-axis. It has been shown. You can click on this one. So if you want to have any change or in the intensity, you can change that, and you can see that change you want to have. Right, select that range and click your x-axis is seen. You can see that. Otherwise you can change to the same way. Oh sorry, if it is white you can't see, never change to black, you'll be having. Right, so if you want to have a color on the background, you can change that for the x-axis. Okay, in the same way for the y-axis also you can do the changes whatever the things you want. So this is the grid lines. For example, if you want to have the grid line, you can have the grid line here. So this grid line transparency is 0% now. You click more, then you'll have the grid line transparency of the horizontal is more. It is 0 previously. Okay, so these are the ribbons we'll be having in the next thing, not now. So like this, we are asking everyone a sample dashboard to be implemented. So we have implemented the dashboard, and we have shared the Excel sheet to you, right? Did you receive? Some person has been asking me. Did you receive the sample Excel sheets? Yes or no? I'm asking that you have to prepare your Excel sheet. Take the Excel sheet, prepare the style of some dashboard in this format, and I want this format dashboard will give you the link, but we are not yet given the link now. So you are very much light. So we will look after about it. We will share the link. This format, the dashboard should be there. So for the link web link data, you have to do for this web link data. You have to do like this, and you have to show to us. Okay, you have to upload this to us. So that is my intention. So we will give the link today. Please do that one and upload the information. Okay, so just this is the dashboard of small thing how we have done. And from this dashboards also, so many things are there you have to do. You have to do more visualizations, move visualizations, decomposition, buttons and shapes. What are the things you want? You have to keep all those things that we will see later on. Okay, just I'm showing a small visualizations in small format. We are not taking interiorly. We are just taken a simple thing and we have made a very small format to understand very fastly to you how to show the visualizations to everyone. Okay, so that is the thing. So that's why I'm asking everyone to implement, to show us how you are implementing this. Implement this for your data of these three of any one, whichever you want. But most of the time, do it for the link ID only. Do for the link ID and make the screenshot to be shown to us, and which help us to understand that you are doing in this format. So that is the indication. For example, if you want to show in terms of any specific region value, so you can show. Okay, if you click on this, it will give you the data of that particular month. What is the statistics of sales that are being done? All changes are being shown which are interconnected. And if you work outcome of this, everything is changing. If you click on this, it is showing so many changes here. These three are connected with this one. and that makes to say how it has been going. See, right? All the things we got out. So all the things are to be saved. Don't forget you can save them also. Just click on file, click on save as, and you can save them. That is the thing. Okay. So you can have the dashboard in this manner. I think it is getting somewhat new one. Okay. Right. So this is the way how we are getting the dashboard. A small dashboard only. We have not inserted this data. There are so many things to insert. Tomorrow we will see some colorful dashboards also with some queries. Okay, we'll continue this only. We'll not change our. We'll continue this only, and we'll do some things, and we'll go for doing this dashboards to be done. So that is the thing. So we will do this only, and from this one we'll go for colorful one, another one to create that we will see tomorrow. Okay. Today, this is the only thing I want everyone to implement in this manner, and please upload. I am sharing the link to your consent group only, where the shared link will be given. Please upload your data of the software uploaded image and also this dashboard image. Both the things have to be given to us. Don't forget, both the things have to be given to us. Please do. Right. So take over. I'm stopping the class because I'm not feeling well. We'll see the things in the next class.